Hello everybody in YouTube land. This is Conscious Goddess, or aka Trina, here with part 2 of this lovely nature scene here at the lake. Excuse me. This is actually the other side of the lake. If you viewed the first video, I was on the actual opposite end there. If you can see, kind of close up, I was at that end. If you can see, still see the birds and the ducks. I was on that end. So now I'm on the opposite end, and it is such a beautiful day. And just look at that water glisten as the rays of the sun hit it. It's an awesome day. Awesome day. We got someone out here trying to catch some dinner, I think. Awesome. Good luck. Man, this is where it's at right here. So good to take advantage of days like these. Of course, like I said in the first video, this lake kind of stretches far. I don't know how many miles exactly, but as you can see in the background there, it just kind of goes on and on and on. And back around here, have some people sitting down. We have some people here, or in boats and stuff. People take boat rides. So then have some more people sitting over here. And so just a nice little place. Part 2. Like I said before, there's really not a main focus to these nature films, just to enjoy and admire the beauty of nature. Till next time, YouTube. Peace, love, and blessings.